So guys, just wanted to share some information with you guys. So yesterday, Acura just announced, or I should say Honda, I guess, just announced a pretty good sized recall. It affects so far about 50,000 Acura ILX years 2016 through 2019. And I guess the issue is they applied from the factory too much grease to the right drive shaft. And from this, I guess it could separate from another part. And it says if this happens while the car is in motion, the car will just automatically lose, power, of course. And they said the more crazy thing is, and if it happens when it stops somehow, it just comes loose, the car could actually roll away, even if you put it in park. So that's kind of scary. So I just wanted to share that with you. I don't know if you guys are aware or not. I know a lot of us are a Honda family, so they're Honda Acura products. If you know anybody with 2016, 2019 Acura TLX, I'd definitely let them know. You can actually, I'll put it on the screen here. It says they should be starting July 29th, but you can also go ahead and contact Acura's customer service. And the number here is listed right here. I'll just put it on the screen. So if you have one of those, I'd go ahead and give them a call and ask them if yours is affected, instead of just waiting around until the 29th for it to start, and then they have to get around to mailing you all these notices. Just be proactive and call them, and then you'll know. Hopefully it's not a major issue. That trickles down to like the Accords or anything like that. That's kind of a major thing if, while it's in parking, just roll away. So just want to share that information with you guys. Hope everyone's doing good. I'll have another video coming in a couple days. And again, if you haven't, please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks.